Okay.
And we've got 10 minutes.
We've got 10 minutes.
10 minutes on the clock.
Woo.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay,
As
we
ever.
are. Okay, so you're doing all this. I'm advising you what to do. So you're literally going to listen to everything I say. Are you ready?
Just tell you what. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's
Go. We're going to start with a primer.
Let's go.
So I've called my primer all about the base because actually,
Love it.
It is all about the base because that's where your makeup's going to sit, right?
Yeah.
It's on the base. So again,
100%.
into the pot. Few little dots on the face, like moisturise it in, and it's going to just set as a primer. You can wear this alone.
I was going to say, could you use a moisturiser underneath it, Lisa, or would you use it on its own?
I would just use it on its own.
Brilliant.
I don't think you
Don't
need
need both.
I don't think you need both.
Amazing.
Because what it is, it's got moisturising qualities in it. Also, it's the main premise of it is that it's a priming. So it's priming you to apply your foundation.
And set it for the rest of the day.
Exactly.
Brilliant.
Lightweight, primer's on. Smells good.
Smells gorgeous.
Actually, the smell was
amazing.
another big thing for me was about the smell. I don't like all them sticky sort of too much. You don't want sort of sticky gunky on your face. It's just like fresh and light and lovely.
Citrus in there.
Okay, right. Oh, I can't touch it. Right, you go with next with the Skin Visible.
We're having to be digital, safeguarding and behaving ourselves.
Okay,
So go for one pump. Right?
One pump, and we've got the shade 30 for Millie here.
Yeah.
Literally one pump onto the back of the hand.
Yeah.
Again, all in the design of this. With the pump is to allow a small little dollop.
Amount, so you don't get too much. Dollop's a good word. We know what that means.
Makeup?
I don't think you need to be anything else.
It's a dollop.
Might need a couple of dollops on this big face over here.
That gorgeous face, Millie. That gorgeous face.
So again, back to the dollop.
Yeah.
You just got a small pump onto the back of the hand.
Yeah.
And they designed it like that because you don't want it to splodge all over the back of your hand because you're wasting product. Nothing worse than going like that with the pump and it all going everywhere and you just have to wipe it off.
I can tell you've had that happen a few times.
Annoying. It's just annoying, irritating. So with the small dollop, you can then keep doing more and then placing more on. So this foundation is great if you want light coverage.
Yeah.
Or you can build it up for a more thicker coverage. Again, as you can see Millie here, really easy to use on the back of the hand, apply with the brush and then just sort of buff it and blend it. And by blending it into the skin, it allows the skin's like a luminosity come through. So you're not masking your face, you're highlighting, illuminating the skin.
Love that.
And by buffering the skin, it livens up all the skin cells and just
love that.
brings out your own.
Oh, top tip.
Yes,
love it, love it, love it, Lisa.
Okay, right, we've done that.
We're
now.
done.
Okay, we're going to go on to, should we do the concealer next? So we've got the Clicker Pen concealer.
Got number 2 here.
And we've got, again, clicky bottom.
Clicky, really easy.
Super easy.
Out with the pen onto the back of the hand. And then you can use your finger. And I don't know why this is.
So you wouldn't just direct onto the eye?
You can. You can. It's up to you. But
Sorry,
you just
asking
want
you all
to
these questions.
Yeah, pat. I think it's nicer like that.
Yep, fab. Love it.
Just because I feel like if you click on the pen and do it straight on, you might get too much.
Whereas this way you can
control it more.
and
always this finger.
Yeah, and I know why.
Go on.
Because this is your ring finger and it applies the least amount of pressure.
There you go.
There you go.
See?
Do I get a gold star, Lisa?
Yeah.
Yes. So dab in under the eye. Look nice and light. Again, build it up. If you want more, you can clicker again, apply to the back of the hand, dab it into the back of the hand and go underneath the eye. Nice light, tappy motions, just a little bit blended there, just in the light, that's it.
Cute.
She's done a good job, hasn't she?
She's done a good job.
There you go. Okay, perfect, that's that. Now we're going to go with the, should we do bronzer?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, why not? So we've got the lovely bronzer here. Which one have you got there, Millie?
I have got the Sunset Glow shade.
So that's the matte one.
That's right,
and then we have a Sunset Shimmer, which is obviously the shimmer.
Which is what I've got that
so
one.
So we're going with the matte one. So we're going to do more of a contour here. So we go underneath the cheekbone. There.
So suck in your cheek.
Yeah, suck in your cheeks
like
underneath the cheekbone here.
Yeah.
We're going to go on the brow bone and we're going to go down here on the jawline. And we're going to just buffer that in and really sort of almost mush it into the skin. Because the foundation...
I love you. I love the fact that you're just using words that people understand, Lisa.
Just mush it in.
Get it going.
Just
mush
get it in, work the product, give it a rub round, come up into the eyebrow, into the brow bone area, fade it out into the hairline, underneath here, blend it black. I can't even speak. Blend it backwards. down here, down the jawline, and really work it into the skin. Like, how nice does that look?
Yeah,
and
gorgeous.
again, add more if you want more structure, add more underneath here if you want to contour more, and again here. This sort of frames your face. Like that.
Oh, I love that. Do that again.
Love it.
Gorgeous.
Okay, how long we got?
Oh, you're all right. We're doing
All right.
okay. We're doing okay.
Okay, now we're going to use the eyeshadow sticks.
Yes.
So I created this stick formulation.
Oh my God, I love
So
these.
it's so easy to use.
They are amazing.
So you've not got to faff about with palettes or
No.
any eyeshadow brushes, or you just got the stick. Really easy. Girls on the go. Whop it in your handbag. Take it out on your eyelid. Done.
Now, are we going with the lighter shade Starstruck or Goldmine, the dark?
No, let's go Goldmine first. We're going to do Goldmine all over the lid.
So this is the lighter shade.
No,
so
this is the
darker
this
shade,
is the
is it?
darker one.
Yeah.
So as you can see how easy this is to use. It's really creamy in formula, and it has like a wax coating around the actual shade of the pencil, so it doesn't scrape and dig your eye.
So instead of being wood, it's wax.
Yeah, so you don't want it to sort of like cut into your
Yeah.
eyelid or scratch
I know.
or pull or drag.
love
and
that.
again, the payoff is really lovely. As you can see, it's like what you can see in the pencil,
Yeah.
what you can see on the eyelid. Blend it all over the lid, and just get your fingers in again and give it a good blend. No harsh lines. We
Just
don't
blend
we
away.
like a nice blend. So we're going to just blend that straight in, beautiful.
Yeah, that's
And now we're going to go with our lighter one, which is the Starstruck. And we're going to use this one today as a highlighter. We're going to go underneath the brow bone here. And we're going to blend that in with a finger. And just mush it in a bit there. We're going to add it here
Shin.
Here.
in the inner corner of the eye. By putting a lighter bit on the inner corner of the eye, it just makes the eye pop. So you can do that to make the eye pop, or you can do like a spotlight, which is when you put the lighter shade in the middle of the eyelid. That's the spotlight, that's the eye pop. I've just made that up.
I love it though.
Sounds good, right?
It sounds so good.
Yeah. Loving
I
that.
know the pop. I didn't know the bit in the middle of the
Yeah,
lid.
spotlight. So like spotlights
Gorgeous,
on you,
yeah,
just
makes
lifting up
sense.
the eye.
Makes
now
complete sense.
we're going to just do something off the cuff here now, love.
Oh, Lisa.
We're going to use this on the as a, like on the top
Oh,
like what
love
you're
a bit of
saying.
dual purpose.
Like
little dual
Yes.
of the cheek. So now blend that onto the skin, and I can use that as a highlighter. Look how lovely that is.
Gorgeous.
Make sure you blend that in nicely. Again, what drives me mad about using highlighters when people use them too harshly,
And
it's
you
like
end up
a stripe. We don't want stripes.
No.
We just want lovely,
Soft,
like
glowing
soft,
skin.
glowy, blended skin. So again,
Gorgeous.
how nice does that look?
that's
So we've
lovely.
gone brow bone, we've gone inner corner of the eye, and now we've gone on the top of the cheekbone.
Lovely.
Lovely. You're going to curl your lashes.
Let's do it.
They're just the Avon colours.
Yeah, we've got Avon curlers there just to really, really
Again.
open the eye and highlight those. They're fabulous.
We can use the bronzing mirror, because there's a mirror in the
Yes, in the cases.
in the casing. And did you see it's got my name in the powder?
I did. It's gorgeous. I could tell. Look at Oh,
And on the lippy,
I know,
yeah.
it's so gorgeous.
And I took so long. I kept doing it and doing it and doing it. Like I was going, oh no, I don't know if I like that one. Let me do it
try
again.
it again.
Let me do it again. Let me do it again. Okay, now we're
Okay.
going to use the Miraculous Volume Mascara.
What's this one?
And you need to literally, it's a black mascara.
Yes.
Of get the wand in, give it a good old wiggle round, get the
You
product
wiggle out, don't pump, don't you?
because you're going to damage the
Yeah,
brush if you pump.
bring all the air in as well,
Wiggle,
don't you?
get the mascara, get it working, get the product working for you. Then you can take off all the bits on the
Excess
brush
on the
that
side.
you don't want it to go blobby, and just nice zigzagging motions from the lid, from the base of the lash line up
Right the
through
way top.
and go right the way up. A lot of people don't realise they've got their lashes go fairer on the ends.
Always.
So actually lashes are a lot longer than they think they are, because they're only going like that. If you go
Another top trick. So
More-
make sure you go from
more
root
volume.
to tip to
Root to
really
tip.
max that volume.
and that's looking lovely. Look, a couple of coats of mascara,
Gorgeous, Millie.
and she's doing a really good job there.
Doing amazing.
Thanks. Is there a job on Strictly going?
Well, exactly. We'll sign you up, love. Right, and now we're going to go with the lip pencil.
Lush.
And this one is in, this is
Claire.
Claire. So do you know the background of this?
I want you to tell us.
Okay, so the lipsticks and the lip liners have all been named after my best and closest friends.
I love that.
So we have, say for example, I've got the lipstick here. This one is Clary.
Yes.
So that's the name that I call her as a nickname.
Yeah.
And then the liner that corresponds with Clary is called Claire.
I love that. So
we've
I've got
a Bex
Zozo on my lips
yes,
today.
So it's a Zozo and a Zoe.
Zoe.
Then it's a Gem Star and a Gem. And then
Oh,
so it goes
I
like
love that. That's
it's all
so cute.
named after my best friends. So that's how personal this range has been.
Lisa,
to me, and
really
that's how
is
much I've
gorgeous.
sort of put into it and wanted it to be
Yeah.
100% my signature range. So now you've done the lip line. Colour within the lines is the name of the pencil.
Love it.
Oh,
to go
don't
out.
like, no going outside. Don't need to, do
Don't
you?
need to.
No,
No,
makes
work
it
with
look
what you've
worse.
got.
Yeah.
There you go. And now we add the lipstick on in the middle. Again, what a beautiful shade that is. Again,
it's
nice
stunning,
point on
really.
the bullet. Nice, easy to apply. Nice, soft, creamy. Look how pretty that is.
Oh,
And do
Pretty
you know
girl.
what? This is a matte, but it's actually so comfortable.
And it's soft, isn't it? And
Yeah,
it's creamy.
so
You know
soft.
when sometimes you get lipsticks that you put on and it's like...
it's they're claggy.
Yes. And exactly when you saw me put it on my hand,
Just glide.
It just literally glides.
Glide.
And that's why I spent so much time like developing the brand, and I was literally, I looked like an absolute lunatic. I had one eye was orange, one eye was green, like half of my face was this colour, half, I was trying everything on my face. I actually forgot and just went out with one orange eye, one green eye, half a lipstick there, a bit of blush up there, walking around like a lunatic. But I wanted to try it, so I knew exactly,
Brilliant.
what it was like. Anyway,
Brilliant. So
powder,
we've got to
going-
wrap up quickly
Yes,
because we're
powder
running
now.
out of time. What have we got next?
Oh, we just got
last product.
Yes,
just the powder.
just the powder.
Perfect.
Go.
So now we're going to go straight down the T-zone, across the forehead. So use T-zone, forehead, down the nose, and then in here I like to put, and in here, on the chin, this bit.
This bit.
Yeah.
So you still got that gorgeous
Blend
shimmer
down.
on the cheeks, but you've
Yeah.
got the matte everywhere else.
Exactly. So
Set
if you
everywhere
turn your face, you can still see the highlighter,
Love it.
still see the bronzer. We've still got the wash of colour on the eye, a bit of highlighter underneath the brow, powder all up, and then you can mush it all in together.
Mush it, mush.
Mush it, mush.
10 minutes, bam!
Was that 10 minutes?
Out the door.
Pretty much.
Out
We
the door.
didn't do too badly.